Hello, today I'm going to show you how to unleash your Epson XP-2100 Wi-Fi printer using inkchip.net. But step number one, if you're going to use cartridge system on your Epson printer, of course you have to replace them continuously. But Epson says only chipped cartridge systems are compatible with this. Inkchip.net makes it possible that we can inflate our cartridge systems like a good thing because it's self top-upping. But for this, we have to change the firmware. So we go to inkchip.net, look at the XP-2100, download the inkchip.net firmware, and then we go to flash this. We start this and we can flash this firmware automatically. This will cost us 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. The printer has to be connected to the inkchip.net computer where the program is running by using the USB cable. And after you flashed your or updated your XP-2100 printer, you have to download the activation tool. So you choose the XP-2100 series printer, and then you can create a serial and ID code out of the printer itself. This ID code you send to inkchip.net, and after this you will become an activation code. This activation code we are going to make activate online. We enter this activation code we get from inkchip.net to it, and we can flash our computer. After this, the printer will reboot in 3 minutes or something else, and we are chipless. That means we can recharge our cartridge system as we like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give them positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.